Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with China tests satellite internet 10x faster than Starlink. Asus unveils tough gaming RTX 5090 and 5080 graphic cards. India AI mission calls for proposals to build indigenous AI models. GoPro Hero gets 4K 4:3 update and price cut in India. Chinese AI startup DeepSeek suffers major data breach. Apple partners with Starlink for satellite internet on iPhones. Google enhances Play Protect to combat malicious apps. The previous quiz, we asked you what is the full form of PDF, and the answer is portable document format. It's time for our daily tech quiz. As today's question: who is the founder of Starlink? Confident you got the answer? Drop a guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. China has reportedly surpassed Starlink in satellite internet speeds, achieving a record-breaking 100 Gbps space-to-ground transmission. Shangguang Satellite Technology co-conducted the test using one of its Jilin-1 satellites, significantly outspacing Starlink's capabilities. While Elon Musk's Starlink relies on over 5,000 satellites, China achieved this feat with just 80 satellites in lower orbit. The new system utilizing high-resolution laser transmission, allowing for lightning-fast data transfers equivalent to downloading 10 full-length HD movies in just 1 second. Experts claim this breakthrough positions China ahead in the race of 6G satellite communication. Unlike Starlink, which focuses on inter-satellite laser links, China has already begun large-scale development of laser-based satellite-to-ground communication. Now, this advancement could challenge the dominance of existing satellite internet providers and reshape global broadband access. Meanwhile, India's Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel are also gearing up to launch their own satellite internet services, aiming to compete in this rapidly evolving sector. Then we have Asus, which has introduced the tough gaming GeForce RTX 5090 and RTX 5080 graphics card, designed for high-end gaming and professional use. Powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, these GPUs deliver exceptional ray tracking performance, AI-based enhancements, and improved power efficiency. The RTX 5090 boasts 32 GB of GDDR7 RAM, offering massive memory bandwidth for 4K gaming, AI processing, and professional creative tasks. Meanwhile, RTX 5080 comes with 16 GB of GDDR7, making it a powerful option for gamers and content creators alike. Both cards feature NVIDIA DLSS4 and 5th Gen Tensor cores, ensuring smoother gameplay and higher frame rates. Now, Asus has also enhanced thermal performance with a new phase change GPU thermal pad, large vapor chambers, and Axial Tech fans that increase airflow by 23%. Dual BIOS options allow users to toggle between performance and quiet mode. Additionally, GPU Tweak 3 software enables advanced tuning and real-time monitoring. With these upgrades, Asus is setting a new benchmark in high-performance gaming hardware. Now, the Government of India has invited startups, researchers, and entrepreneurs to collaborate on developing foundational AI models trained on Indian datasets. As part of Indian AI mission, this initiative aims to establish indigenous AI models tailored to India's unique challenges and linguistic diversity. The mission is structured around 7 pillars, including AI computing, dataset platform, and AI application development. The goal is to create large language models or multimodal AI models that address critical sectors like healthcare, education, agriculture, and governance. Proposals will be evaluated based on team expertise, dataset strategy, and scalability. The Indian government will retain a perpetual license for public use while allowing developing entity to hold intellectual property rights. This initiative is expected to enhance India's global standing in AI development and foster technological innovation at scale. Now, GoPro has rolled out a major update for its entry-level Hero action camera, adding 4K recording in an aspect 4:3 ratio. This enhancement allows users to capture immersive first-person perspectives, taller social media-friendly videos, and more engaging selfies. The update is available through the GoPro Quick app on both iOS and Android. Alongside this, GoPro has reduced the price of Hero camera in India to 19,990, down from its launch price of Rs 23,990. The lightweight, rugged camera weighing just 86 grams is now available on Flipkart. It remains waterproof up to 5 meters and features an intuitive touchscreen interface. The Hero supports Ultra HD 4K and HD 1080 pixel video recording. along with 12 MP still photography. It also includes a 2x slow motion mode and hyper smooth stabilization for improved footage quality. The battery allows over an hour of continuous 4K recording on a single charge. With this update and price reduction, GoPro aims to attract more content creators and adventure enthusiasts. Now, Chinese AI firm DeepSeek has suffered a significant security breach, exposing over 1 million lines of sensitive data to the open internet. A report from cybersecurity firm Wiz revealed that unsecured files, including digital software keys and user chat logs from DeepSeek's AI assistant. Although DeepSeek acted quickly to secure the data, experts warn that the information may have already been accessed by malicious actors. The incident raises concerns about the company's cybersecurity measures, especially given its rapid rise in popularity. DeepSeek recently overtook ChatGPT in downloads on the US Apple App Store, sparking fears among investors about its impact on US tech giants. Despite its competitive edge, this data breach has put DeepSeek under scrutiny, with questions emerging about its ability to protect users' information. As AI technology continues to evolve, ensuring robust security measures will be critical for maintaining public trust in emerging platforms. Now, Apple has teamed up with SpaceX Starlink to bring internet capabilities to select iPhone models, enhancing connectivity options for users. Previously, Apple launched its satellite-based SOS feature with Globalstar on iPhone 14. Now, the partnership with Starlink aims to expand internet access via satellite, reducing reliance on traditional cell towers. According to Bloomberg, T-Mobile has begun beta testing Starlink services for iPhone users. Elon Musk has stated that current capabilities include accessing images, music, and podcasts, with video streaming expected in future updates. The feature is integrated into iOS 18.3 update, enabling iPhone users on T-Mobile's network to activate it through mobile data settings. Starlink's satellite-to-call technology aims to provide seamless internet access worldwide, bypassing telecom regulation in some regions. While the service is expected to be premium priced, Apple may offer free trials initially. With this move, Starlink is taking a major step toward expanding its influence in the global telecom sector, expecting with traditional mobile networks. Then we have Google, which has introduced new security features for Play Protect to enhance protection against malicious apps on Android devices. The feature focuses on real-time defenses, automatic permission, revocation, and fraud prevention. Play Protect will now automatically revoke permission for apps deemed potentially harmful, restricting their access to sensitive data such as storage, photos, and the camera. Additionally, to counter social engineering scams, Play Protect scanning cannot be disabled during phone or video calls, a tactic often exploited by fraudsters. Google has also expanded its enhanced fraud protection pilot to regions including India, Brazil, and South Africa. This initiative blocks side-loaded apps that frequently exploit permission for financial fraud. Furthermore, a verified badge has been introduced for VPN apps prioritizing user privacy. With these updates, Google aims to strengthen Android security and protect users from emerging threats, particularly from apps installed outside the Play Store. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.